Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to convert Excel file into the PDF. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So here you can see the options of file on the top left corner. So just click on it, and then you can see export options. So click on it, and then here you find create PDF or XPS document. So after that, here you can see this option, so just click on it. So after that, here you can select the location where you want to save your document. So after selecting a location, here you can change the file name. So you can write anyone according to you. So after that, here you can select optimize for standard or minimum. So when you will click on options, so you can find if you want to convert Excel file to PDF. So here you can see all page, and you can select the specific page also. So here you can see also publish what. So here you can select selection, entire workbook, or active sheet, or ignore print areas. So you can also include non-printing information. You can select document properties or document structure tags for accessibility. So you can select or unselect according to you. So after all setting, so just click on OK, and then click on publish. So here you can see the Excel file is converted into the PDF. So guys, in this way you can convert Excel file into the PDF. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.